Stop blindly copying other pilots' builds. Let MEPS show you how to choose the true best FPV stack for your drone. A top-tier FPV drone stack doesn't just clean up your wiring, it directly dictates your flight feel and control responsiveness. Want a tight yet aggressive setup? Go straight for the MEPS AeroCore F722 Mini 45 Ampere. Packed with a high-performance F7FC and a powerhouse 45 Ampere ESC into a tiny footprint, it delivers insane burst power and seamless DJI O3 digital integration. Looking for more hardcore drone flight stack comparisons and step-by-step installation guides? Click the link.